So when we look at a dog's back feet, we're expecting them to be underneath their stifles, so underneath their knees. The back feet should be evenly placed where the toes sit relative to one another. We also want the back feet to be tucked in line with the dog's pelvis. So we don't want to see toes sticking out to the side significantly or rotated inwards.
These two sits aren't too bad from what we can see in this image, but the Weimaraner on the right, she's got a really widely positioned rear foot and knee position. I think that she's likely rotating backwards on her pelvis because her hind limbs are also placed quite far forward, quite close to her front leg. The two different types of sit that we can have is basically one where the dog keeps the back feet still, one when the dog keeps the front feet still. So this first one is a tuck sit. So when cued, Evo's front feet stay still and his back feet tuck in towards the front feet. So we would generally call this a tuck sit. The other type of sit is the exact opposite. So in the other type of sit, he's going to move his front legs backwards and keep his back feet still, so his whole body weight will shift backwards into the sit position. So that's the backwards sit here. So you can see that his back feet stay still and only his front feet are moving when he moves back into that sit position. We want their feet to be towards the front of that smaller platform because when they sit, that means their hocks will remain supported by that stable platform. If their feet are too far at the back, when they move into the sit position, their hocks will go off the back of that smaller platform and their butts will fall off. So sometimes a little bit of manipulation of the setup or luring them further forward can be really helpful for this exercise.